BNC, 100% black and brown host around the clock. Finally, news that speaks to us.
A Maryland National Capital Park police officer has filed a federal lawsuit. Now, in that civil rights suit, Officer Mark Miles alleges Maryland police officer discussed killing Black Lives Matter protesters in text messages.
And it didn't stop there. Then came the discrimination, harassment, and retaliation after he reported the discriminatory conduct. This all unfolded in May 2020, just after Officer Miles had been transferred onto another team and as demonstrators filled the streets in protest of the murder of George Floyd. And being a part of that team, he witnessed a lot of that going on, while mixed race Officer Miles was the only black man in that unit and reportedly experienced racism and witnessed bigotry, even from his supervisor. Joining us now to discuss this with more insight, retired law enforcement professional Robert Scott Snead. Thank you for joining us this hour, Mr. Snead. Robert, look, a group text message chain for these officers that was used to discuss work assignments and other business became a space for racist, hateful, and offensive comments. One can only imagine what you have to bear if you're seeing that kind of messaging going on. What is your reaction to that?
It's appalling. I mean, those who serve, they're looking for the same protections. Law enforcement itself is a microcosm of society, and the same liberties and workplace environments that everybody wants just a fair treatment. It happens in law enforcement, just like anywhere else.
You were working for the Baltimore Police Department when Freddie Gray died in police custody, and people were out in the streets protesting police brutality. Was there ever a moment when you experienced something similar to what Officer Miles was dealing with?
Indirectly, directly, if one person who I may know, if not myself, is impacted by that, when I find out about it or I learn about it or someone shares it with me, it affects me as well. And I think I can speak for a lot of law enforcement. You know, everybody wants to come to a place to do their work and be free of any biased treatment or any having to make any allegations such as this one. A hostile work environment is not a good thing. You can't even concentrate on your job because you have other things on your mind that would impact you personally. You know, it's disturbing.
Yeah. And Robert, you know, they say there's nothing new under the sun, right? And you've been in law enforcement for decades, specifically in Maryland. Is this part of the police culture in the DMV area, meaning D.C., Maryland, and Virginia?
I wouldn't make it a regional thing. It happens. It happens, not that it's acceptable, not that I'm callous or just, innocuous to it. It happens, not just Maryland. It could be a lot of different things that trigger it, not saying it's justified. You just want to come to work, do your job, serve the citizens of whatever municipality, county, city, state that you work in, and you want to make that your day and look forward to the next one. There's no excuse for it, especially in these times.
Robert, it's easy to portray this as a bunch of officers just blowing off steam, yet it also affirms many of the ideas we have about how law enforcement really thinks about Black and brown people. So you walk a fine line, having been an officer, you also serve the public. How are we as regular citizens supposed to react to this type of awareness of police behavior?
Right now, the United States, we're looking at police reform, criminal justice reform. We're looking for accountability, legitimacy, which all equals trust. Each agency has its challenges. As part of the rank and file, when you come to do your job, you want it from within as well as from outside with the communities looking in. And when I say within, a lot of the officers who are doing their jobs on a day-to-day basis, you are the community. You are that neighbor next door. You're that father, that son, that nephew, that cousin who who looks for that. It's a reasonable expectation to have. Unfortunately, it's not always like that. And I commend him for bringing it to his agency.
I wasn't trying to cut you off there. I thought you were pausing, but look, the issue is race. It's systemic bigotry. It's also a moral problem. It's people bringing implicit bias to it. That's why there's so much of a discussion about police reform and the need for it. Yet I've talked to the former police chief in Baltimore who said, look, it goes on. And when you try to root out the problem, there's another individual or several individuals come in with the same kind of implicit biases. So during such a sensitive time as this, like what we saw after the death of Freddie Gray and the riot that ensued, was there any sensitivity training that you know of, or anti-discrimination conversations, or even racial reconciliation conferences going on with the police department as well as members of the community?
Oh, yes, there's a lot of sensitivity training. Sometimes you gotta take 10 steps back in order to move forward too. However, to be quite frank, it goes on. My heart goes out to the officer. My heart goes out to everyone that suffers things like this. We are part of society. Within a society, as far as the institution, it hurts, it stings, but we got to get past it. We got to move forward. Things have to get better. We have to acknowledge it. That's the first step in getting past it. Sometimes it's just so deeply rooted that it's just another incident. And we had to get beyond it. It has to be internal as well as external. That legitimacy, the trust factor is real, and when it's impacting you, you're serving a community where, you have your own challenges with dealing from within your institution, so he brought it to attention. I would like to see what's going to happen with it. It impacts not just that officer, but it impacts everybody.
The statement that the Maryland It does, indeed. I want to read you the statement that the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission put out, saying that its police department, quote, does not tolerate racism or harassment in the workplace. But the unit supervisor, Sergeant Stephanie Harvey, wasn't fired. So based on your experience in a police department, if someone doesn't get fired, does change actually happen?
It can happen. However, she does have her rights per the Law Enforcement Officers' Bill of Rights, and everybody does operate with the presumption of innocence. However, it comes a time where, is it a pattern? Does it continue to repeat itself? It gets old. And if that's deeply rooted in the culture, it has to be weeded out. There's no time for it. There's no place for it, especially today. Implicit bias training.
Robert Scott Snead, thank you for joining us tonight.